Hello. In this video, you will see unboxing self-watering pot Lechuza CUBE Cottage 40. What is included, every component, how it looks like when it is complete, and as a bonus, repotting monstera with my little pots. Enjoy! Today I unbox Lechuza CUBE Cottage 40 in white color. This flower pot has self-watering system. On the package we can see some information, as a CUBE cottage has water level indicator, supply shaft for water and fertilizer, and Lechuza pond. Water reservoir is below the separator, and drain plug allows rainwater to run off. Name of the product is CUBE Cottage 40, all in one, white, with product number 15380, and it is made in Germany. In this box we have an irrigation set. Inside, you can find Lechuza pond. This substrate provides the perfect supply of water and nutrition to plant. This is a water level indicator. I'll unpack it now and build it together. Here you see instruction manual. Some facts about Cube Cottage 40. The flower pot is made of two parts. Inner part is for planting plants. The outer part of the flower pot is decorative and captures water. Orange screw is on both parts. Here you can see on inner plant line. Plant soil volume is 31 liters. Water reservoir is 7.5 liters. The size of decorative pot is 40 centimeters cube. Outer size of plant liner is 38 centimeters cube, and inner size for root system is 34.5 centimeters times 34.5 centimeters times height is 28 centimeters. The flower pot is for both indoor and outdoor use. You just need to leave or remove the orange drain plug. I will plant monstera, so I leave the screw. Plant liner is removable, very comfortable with two holders. Okay, it is time to complete the pot. Now I pour the drainage layer. If you like my video, please push like button and subscribe to my channel, The Fox in the Box. Great, so everything is ready for planting. One picture before, and here is my graceful green queen. She has very overgrown roots. She definitely needs repotting. I remove all excess and rotten roots, and I will partially remove the old soil, just what is easy to go away, so as I do not damage the root system. It is going well. But when I was picking monstera from pot, I broke some branches. Leaves and branches are very heavy without support. I hope she recovers soon. My little helper is here. Great. This time we use quite ordinary soil for plants and add only a little bit of ceramics and Lechuza plant due to oxygen supply. Don't forget the support stick. And in the end, it is necessary to water properly. See you in my next video. Until then, have joy!